What up? We're on Mount Haleakala. Like 5:10. Early morning. It's freezing cold. We all thought it was gonna be like a little bit cold. It's freezing cold. We got the sunrise behind. Got some stuff, but you can't see nothing actually. We got here too early. So we were taking naps in the car and I was straight up dreaming about seeing the sunrise. Let's see if it compares to my dream. Yeah, I was expecting it to be a little bit different. Yeah, my dream was different, guys. So, let's see. We got inside. So, people that are tough are outside. People that are not tough are inside. I think Matthew's outside for now. I think he's chilling out there. I don't know where Tim is. He's probably outside somewhere. You guys, if you guys come here, bring 2 sweaters, 2 pairs of pants, actual shoes, gloves,
yeah, for sure.
face mask. Okay, yo.
You did tell us to bring gloves.
Bro. We're leaving that room. I'm gonna go to the car, see if I can get some beef jerky. And then, we're gonna go, so everybody's in here, it's chill and all, but we're gonna go up onto this hill right here. It might be a chiller place to stand. Low-key, the place is a little bit packed here. It just is what it is. Everyone wants to be on the summit though, you know, highest point in Maui type of deal. But yeah, we're at the summit. We're looking to the east. I guess where the sun rises from the east. Right there. Where the land starts curving to the right again. So it curves to the left and it curves to the right. Kahulu. Those are the West Mountains. That's where we hiked to the windmills. If I go to the other side, you guys are gonna be able to see Big Beach. Dude, that is epic. We're gonna have to do that after the sunrise, because sunrise is, like 5 to 7 minutes, the sun should be starting to show. They got like an observatory here or something like that. Dude, it will be pretty sick to see the Big Beach. But that's, you guys, that's where we were hiking. East something Holly Trail. I don't remember what it's called. But we were up in there. We're staying somewhere out here. It's probably actually somewhere out here. Because there's Kahulu. I'm not really seeing Paia. So we're either like right here or behind this mountain. I feel like we're right here somewhere. This homie is tough.
It took heck a long, dude.
Let's go. We started driving down the hill or the mountain. This is apparently the famous crater. There's a trail down there, but we're not gonna do it. We all woke up too early, and we all woke up too early yesterday as well.
Yeah, I want you to say something. I feel sick.
It is a nice view, though. I think that's the ocean behind those mountains. It's so desolate out here. It's crazy. Oh, snap. We're barely down the hill. We're checking out these goats. They dipping. There's a whole herd out there. Yeah.